My name is Hon.Agnes Wanjiku Wachira. I'm an MC at the County Assembly of Nyeri. I'm representing gender. And the reason we are here today at the Dedan Kimathi University, we are undertaking an initiative where we are sensitizing the youthful populace so that they can be going for early cancer screening, because we have realized that most of these people, they think that cancer is for the aged. We are also sensitizing them on how to live a healthy lifestyle, to keep off alcohol, to keep off smoking, and to also practice healthy, sexy lifestyles, because you find that most of these diseases like the cervical cancer is all about reckless sex lives. So we are sensitizing them so that they can have a preventive approach more than a curative approach.
My name is Lydia Warui. I'm an oncology nurse working at the County Referral Hospital, and today we are here at Kimathi to talk to the youth, being the October month, which is breast cancer awareness month. We also use it as to create awareness for even the other cancers. Through interaction with the youth, there were so many myths and misconceptions that are coming up, like the youth briefing that their fellow youth suckling their breasts would prevent them from cancer, and so many other myths and misconceptions that they have heard over the media, over the social media, everywhere. So we are also trying to dispel those myths and misconceptions so that they can know that anybody can get cancer. And we've realized there are so many issues around their sexuality that needs to be addressed, and mental illness, also mental health issues need to be addressed, and also there is that stigma surrounding issues to do with cancer. We want people to remove that stigma. That's why we are talking about it openly, and we are sending them there out with a message that cancer is there. There is something that we can do to prevent, and more so we are talking about early screening and early treatment, because cancer, if it is treated early, it is curable.
My name is Simon Njogu, alias Mr. Sanitizer. I'm the Directorate Nursing Association chairperson, and I'm also an advocate for sexual reproductive health. But today we have had a discussion, a conference for cancer awareness, and the main reason why we decided to have such a session is because we normally have a forum known as the Directorate Health Charter, and it came as a request from the Directorate students to hold such a session.